Welcome to Price Mixing It Up. Thank you for checking in. Gardening Chronicles, Season 2, Episode 3. So I have an invader, a predator, a house finch. Check it out. He likes collards. Welcome to the garden. This is a replay of a portion of a video you may have already seen. So let's check out the progress of the garden. Come on in. All right, it's Price Mixing It Up. We're doing some gardening here. Got a little extended garden box. Okay, how long can I make it? How long can you go? Well, so now we got our zucchinis here in the box. I put the radish in the middle. I haven't grown radish before. We're going to see how wild it go. I have a reserve pot right here. I wanted some green beans. More zucchini. I know that zucchini is going to get pretty full and big, but we're going to see how it goes. Okay, here's an update on the Roma tomatoes. As you can see, they're growing nicely. I've already picked off a few orange ones. No sweet peppers yet, but the plant is coming along well. As you can see, it's growing, it's green. It's being fertilized, fed, and watered. The collards are doing well. I've picked some. We'll see at the end of the video. We've gotten rid of the bugs with the neem oil spray, fertilizing and watering on a consistent daily right now, just to keep them growing. There's some bolting going on. The other Roma right here, it's turning orange, growing lots of tomatoes and buds, and the other pepper. So these are sweet peppers. The zucchini had a setback, but now it's moving forward. I got the watering system set appropriately. So the radish is going wild this week, and this one zucchini is growing nicely. The spearmint's taking over, the sage and the basil. So it's all surviving. Again, that sprinkler system wasn't set up properly. I've made some adjustments, watering at a different time of the evening versus the morning. And so that way carbon monoxide, whatever's in the air and in the soil and in the greens, can work together for the good. So looking at the roots of the radish, I'm trying to see where's the fruit. I've got to learn a little bit about the radish. So far, so good. These Roma tomatoes are small, but yet they are delicious. Okay, progress here. So I've picked ripe tomatoes. I've clipped the greens, the collard greens. The house finch was in here poking holes. There was a new tomato right there. Look at that on the different bush. And again, these zucchini squash is looking pretty good. I was going to pull it out and replant it, but I'm still considering that. The herbs are doing well. I haven't clipped them at all. So right now, I see good progress here in the garden. I'm just keeping an eye on these zucchinis. Everything else is doing really well. Was thinking about taking the tomato plant and putting them together and putting the peppers together. Bolting, bolt, B-O-L-T. There, those are the seeds for the next collards. Yeah. All right, y'all. All right, here's those collard greens. I picked these today. I got them soaking. I really want them clean because I can't do bugs. I can't eat anything with bugs on them. So I soaked them in some salt, some vinegar. They're looking pretty good. I'm gonna cook these and maybe in the next couple of days. A few of them had some holes. There was no bugs on them. It's the bird. There's a bird that's eating the greens. So since I started using the neem oil and the fertilizer, but yeah, I got a nice little crop here. So we're gonna cook those, see how they taste. Amen. Thank you for checking in with Price Mixing It Up today, y'all. So look at this beautiful lily, right? It's got new blooms, and that's how we should be. Every day is a new day. So what? Remember to make it a what? Great day.